Find the force in Newton which body A or the mass A exerts on body B if the B is moving in the right hand side direction with the acceleration of 3 meter per second square. Now the body B will exert a force on body A in this direction, which is the normal force, and the body A similarly will exert the same force or the same reaction force on body B, which will be in the opposite direction. Now see, if this is N, this will be equal to N sine 37. Okay, if I take a component over here, it will be equal to N sine 37. Since body B is accelerating in the right hand side direction, N sine 37 is the only force which acts in the right hand side direction. So N sine 37 will be equal to mass into acceleration. Over here N sine 37, N is unknown, sine 37 is equal to 3 by 5 will be equal to mass of the body A is 1, acceleration is 3. So the normal force over here is equal to 5 Newton. I got the normal force. Now let us draw the free body diagram for the body A. The normal force will be in this direction. Okay, it will have a component in the vertically upward direction which will be equal to N cos 37. It will have mg in the downward direction. Okay, the m is unknown over here, and the acceleration will be in the vertically downward direction. Only when it accelerates in the vertically downward direction, the body of mass 1 kg will shift towards the right hand side. Now the important part over here is the resultant ma is in the downward direction. So I have to calculate the value of a first. The acceleration of body A into it will be equal to cos 37. Okay, or over here it will be equal to cos 37 will be equal to AB into sine 37. Now how did I obtain this value? Since this body is only accelerating in the downward direction, and since this body is obtained in the right hand side direction, if I draw the vector diagram, AA will be in the downward direction, AB will be in this direction. So their component over here, okay, component at this angle, okay, that is this angle is equal to 37 degree. The component at this angle, that is AA cos 37, should be equal to AB sine 37. Okay, both this component should be equal, only then they will have a acceleration in the vertically downward and in the acceleration in the horizontal direction. Okay, so that is why when I substitute the values, AA cos 37 will be equal to 3 by 5 will be equal to AB is given as the acceleration of block B is given as 3, sine 37 is equal to 3 by 5. So 5 and 5 will get cancelled out over here. Okay, cos 37 is 4 by 5, sorry, not 3 by 5, it will be 4 by 5. So AA will be equal to 9 by 4. Okay, AA will be equal to 9 by 4, that is the acceleration of block A is equal to 9 by 4. Now over here let us write down the forces for block A. Mg is in the downward direction, the resultant is in the downward direction, N cos 37 is in the upward direction. So mg minus N cos 37 will be equal to MAA. Okay, acceleration of body A. So mg is unknown, I have to calculate the value of m. So I will take mg minus AA, that is I have shifted this on the left hand side, is equal to N cos 37. Okay, so now N over here is the normal force is 5 Newton. 5 into cos 37 is equal to 4 by 5. So 5 and 5 will get cancelled out. M 10 minus acceleration of block A will be equal to 9 by 4. Okay, so 40 minus 9, which is equal to 31. So 31 by 4 is equal to 4. So the mass of body A will be equal to 16 by 31 kg. This will be the mass of body A.